Hello and welcome everyone to Variety Stick, and we're back again for another video. In this video I will show you how to fix frozen screen, blink screen or non-responsive screen if you own the Wiko Voix. But before we start, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, give me a thumbs up and let's find out. Now, it's very normal for any Android device that doesn't have battery where you can remove easily the phone glitch or have a blink screen, frozen screen. If this ever happened and you own the Wiko Voix, don't worry. All you have to do is press the power and the volume up together and don't release your finger on both till the phone restarts and reboot the system. So keep doing this till the phone have black screen like this, and then remove from both, and the phone should restart and reboot the system as you guys can see here on the screen. I believe that was very much it. I wish you guys found this tutorial helpful. If it did, thumbs up, subscribe for more videos here on Variety Stick. Thank you so much for watching, and we will talk to you in the next video.